Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sort of add a search bar into your site header on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, adding a search bar into your header was possible before. Now it really isn't. They have removed that feature so that you can actually add it into your header. However, I'll show you a couple of ways in which you can circumvent this kind of. They are a bit creative, so they won't look perfect. I'm not gonna go ahead and optimize the look of everything, but I'm gonna show you guys what I have in mind right now. Now, if we're on the page where we want to add our search bar, we can go ahead and click on edit. Now, this change will be currently page specific, so you won't be able to add this across your entire site if you just pick this page. I'm just going to go ahead and replace or move these certain parts. I'm just going to go ahead and extend the first section. I don't know why I added the second one, but it doesn't really matter. Just delete that really quickly. Put it down so that we have space under our header on our site. Then we're going to go ahead, add a block, and search for the search function. Click on search, and that's going to add our search bar, which you can then go ahead and customize with the display and everything. You can set it to light theme, dark theme, whatever you would like. And that is pretty much it. Now, as I've mentioned, this will be needed across all pages. You need to do this manually for all pages you have. However, that is one of these solutions. Just put it right under the header if you want to, and that should be it. Now, if you want to add it above your header, and this is a bit more of a creative solution, what you're going to need to do is go ahead and go to edit again, scroll down until you get to your footer, then click edit site footer. Now, I've already moved these things a bit down, which is what we need to do. Make it look like this, and we want to add space into our footer above all else. We have to leave this space a bit, and then we're going to go ahead and click the search bar and extend it across the entire footer. You can add the search bar by clicking add block, pretty much the same as you would for a page. Now, the thing is, the footer appears on every single page, so you can use it once and it'll be on all of your pages again. You can also edit the section to make the color similar to your current page layout or the color it is currently on. So let's click save, and this should be the same color as the rest of the site. And if I scroll down, it might be a shade lighter, but it doesn't really matter. You can just make it look as close as it can. As you can see, it is the same color. Now that we've added the search bar into the footer, what we can do is go into pages, scroll down until we get to website tools, and then go into custom CSS. Now here you're going to paste, or rather write out this code. This is exactly what you want, and now the footer will not really appear at the bottom of your page anymore, which is sort of a downside of this method, and your header will continue to go down with your page as you scroll, and it won't show the search bar. However, this code will be just enough, and if we click save, as you'll see in a couple of moments, if I click on edit, or if I just scroll all the way up, as you'll see, we have a search bar at the very top of our site. Now let me just go ahead and edit this, and because this is not part of the actual footer, I cannot really click on it to edit it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try my best by just scrolling down, and here I cannot edit. Okay, I can click here to edit the footer, and now if I go to the top, I might be able to relocate it a bit, but as you can see, it'll be hidden by the header and all the content above. And as you can see, it pretty much goes to the very top of your page. You can edit this code to kind of maybe just push it down a little bit. However, I'm not exactly sure as to how I would do this. That is pretty much it. Actually, let me just try to edit this sort of like this, and it didn't work, but it is what it is. But yeah, now you have your search bar at the very top of your site. It is above the header, so it's not exactly part of it, but it is what it is. You can just make the background of the footer the same as the header, and you should have full control. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.